Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. Today's video is a bit different because we are covering 4 major UK updates that could directly affect migrants, visa holders, workers, and anyone planning to move to the UK in the future. And honestly, the last update is the most interesting one in my opinion, so I would personally recommend watching this video until the end so you don't miss it. In today's video, we will cover a proposal to scrap indefinite leave to remain, changes to refugee protection with 30-month reviews, latest UK net migration figures, and a proposal to remove income tax on overtime earnings. Let's start with the first update. According to BBC News, Reform UK has proposed changing the current immigration system where migrants can apply for indefinite leave to remain after completing a qualifying period in the UK. Under this proposal, ILR would be replaced with a renewable visa system, meaning migrants would not automatically gain permanent settlement rights. Instead, people may need to extend or renew their visa status regularly depending on conditions set by the system. However, it is very important to understand. This is currently only a political proposal, not an official law, and nothing has changed in the UK immigration rules right now. Moving on to the second update. The UK government has announced changes to the refugee protection system. According to gov.uk, refugee protection will no longer be treated as permanent. Instead, it will be granted for 30 months at a time and then reviewed. This means authorities will regularly reassess whether a person still needs protection based on conditions in their home country. If the country is still unsafe, protection may continue. However, if conditions improve and the country is considered safe, return to the home country may be expected. The government states that this approach aims to make the asylum system more controlled and responsive. Now let's talk about migration numbers. According to BBC News, UK net migration has fallen to 171,000, marking a significant drop compared to previous years. Around 800,000 people arrived in the UK in 2025. Around 642,000 people left the UK during the same period. This difference resulted in a much lower net migration figure compared to recent highs. The report suggests that tighter immigration rules have contributed to this decline, although migration levels are still being closely monitored. And now we come to the final update, and honestly, the most interesting one in my opinion. BBC News reports that Reform UK has proposed scrapping income tax on overtime earnings. This proposal would apply to workers earning under £75,000 per year who work more than 40 hours a week. The idea is that employees should be rewarded for extra effort and keep more of the money they earn through overtime. Supporters believe this could encourage people to work longer hours and increase motivation among workers. But again, this is currently only a proposal, not an implemented law. So these were the 4 major UK updates. Some of these are government policy changes, while others are still political proposals and not law yet. Now I want to ask you, which update did you find the most important or interesting? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.